Alright guys, today we are back with another cool video. This time we are actually looking at 5 impact cases from Casetify. Casetify was actually nice enough to get in contact with me and send over 5 of their impact cases from their signature range. So I really do appreciate that. So thank you so much, Casetify, for sending those over. But before we get into the video, I just want to let you guys know that they haven't paid me to say anything good about the product. So I don't want you guys to think that I'm just saying it because they've given me the cases. But if you guys do enjoy the rest of the video, make sure to smash the thumbs up button. I will have a giveaway hopefully at the end of this as well. And also, Casetify is actually giving me a 15% discount code for you guys to use. I'm going to leave that link in the description down below, so you guys just going to go and put that into the discount code part on the website when you guys check out, and you guys will get 15% off your order. So a big shout out to Casetify for sending that over as well, so thank you very much for that. But without further ado guys, let's hop into this unboxing and look at the rest of the cases. Alright guys, hopping into the unboxing, like I said, we have 5 cases and one of them is on my phone, as you guys can see here. So we're going to do 4 of the unboxings, and then we're going to look at the one on my phone as well. Alright guys, so here are the cases that were sent to me. I've actually taken them out of the package because it was going to take so long to get them in and out. Like, it was in these packages, and I've just decided to take them all out and lay them out on the table so you guys can see them. So this is the one I showed you guys before, is the clear case. And obviously here are the other 2 designs that they did send me, and I really like this one on the left. It's probably my favorite one, to be honest with you. Now you guys are probably thinking, what is this case? Why is it so much green on it? And again, a green sticker there. Well, I'm going to show you something cool with these cases. So let's just get rid of these 3. For now, let's put these to the side. And I'm going to show you guys these 2 specifically. Now these are actually in partnership with Virtual Superland. So they've done a little collaboration, and what that green is an actual AR. I don't know exactly what to call it, but it's AR. So what you do, as you guys can see on screen there, you got the cases sitting there, and as you guys can see right now, that the cases that are green, so as you guys can see the green things down there, are actually AR. So as you guys can see here, this is like just an AR virtual reality world. I don't know what it like. It's just, I don't know. The green starts it, and then as you guys can see, the little, even that green one up here has like a little sticker, and it just enters virtual reality. So that's something different I wanted to show you guys with these VSL style of cases. I'm not really sure what the purpose of this is. Like, I don't know if there's a reasoning for this, or it's just like something cool to show you. But again, to the right you get the case, and then all the way to the left you're immersed in the VR. So or the AR, should I say. But there it is. That's something different with those cases that I don't think many case manufacturers have done. So yeah, but as you guys can see there, really cool case, very nice. I really like this one. And again, it is the impact case. Like as you guys can see with my iPhone XS Max, this is just the full clear one, and this is the one with the little design on it. But it is again the impact version of the cases, because they're all the impact version. They're just different designs on the back. So, and now this isn't just some cheap paint on the back. Like, this is actually engraved. You guys can hear it. Like, they've done a really good job, and as you guys can see, it is really good. The quality on this is really good. As you guys can see, it's not too flexible, but it is flexible enough. Like, you're not gonna just break it by just doing this. Like, it's made for drop, so like it can take a beating. So that's another one of the cases, which is cool. Another clear back case, but with lines on it like this, and it does look really nice, I reckon. Again, impact case. As you guys can see, that black gel that runs around, that's obviously helps the shock and absorbs a lot of the impact. But these cutouts on these cases are very precise, and everything does look very nice. You guys can see there, the lines are actually on top of the case, not just printed to protect. Like, this is actually serious. Like, this is quality, guys, right here. As you guys can see, again, you can hear it. Like, it's not just some cheap ink. This is actually printed like above the case. I'm scratching it now. It's not even coming off. Like, I'm trying to get it off and it's not. So again, it is flexible. There is some play to it, but nothing too extreme. I really like these cases. And I'm going to show you guys them on my iPhone now to see what they look like when they're all on. Alright guys, so these are the cases, a bit more detail. We do have the camera cutout obviously up there. Now guys, it is a raised camera cutout, so as you guys can see that the lens actually doesn't protrude at all. It's actually indented, which means when you put it face first on a table like this, the lens won't actually hit the table at all, and therefore not scratching it. So I wanted to show you guys that, which is really, really important to me when I do get a case. So that's something to note. The buttons are very, very clicky. And we do have the mute switch there, which is pretty easy to get to. We do have all the ports at the bottom again, nice and big cutouts there. Lightning port, as you guys can see there, will fit on probably a dock as well. I haven't really tried it, but from how big that cutout is, it looks like it will fit. Now this black stuff all around the side is actually what the impact protection is, which it absorbs all the shock, and it does run through. It's like a little gel kind of material. And again, power button there, and everything is pretty good, guys. It's really, really nice material. It does feel nice in the hands. Like again, this is probably my favorite case out of the bunch, but I will run through all of them so you guys can see what they all look like on the phone. Alright guys, so this is one of the AR cases. This is the one that's a bit more in your face, but it is nice as well. Like the material is very nice that's printed on. It's not very easily scratched. I'm trying to scratch it and I couldn't even scratch it when I was in the studio as well. But again, these have all the same camera cutouts, and volume and charger cutouts. Everything's exactly the same, all the cutouts on them. I just wanted to show you guys the design. But this one you can't see your actual phone color, so if that's something that you guys don't like or something to consider, so you guys know. But here is that one. Next up, we do have another one of the virtual Superland cases as well, VSL there, and again, everything is exactly the same. I just wanted to show you what the designs are on these cases. I really, really like them, and I do appreciate Casetify sending these out to have a look at. So they are very nice, and the material, like again, like that's a solid material. Like I'm trying to scratch that, and it's just not scratching. So you guys will be able to see, like it just doesn't want to scratch. So that's something to consider. It's very, very good quality that's printed on. Everything is very, very nice. Alright guys, here's another cool design one. Again, this is the way it's printed like above the case, but it doesn't come off. I don't know how they've done it, but I feel like this is a very durable material. Like a lot of cases you get and you can already scratch them already off, like the designs on the back, the writing and all that kind of stuff. But these ones I haven't been able to manage to scratch off anything. So like I said before, very good quality all around. Alright guys, so here's the final case we are looking at, which is the clear case with the impact protection, and this is probably one of my favorites, if not my favorite. You can see your phone color very, very nice. The plastic does feel very, very durable. Again, it's got the Casetify logo there, nice and simple, and everything just looks very nice with this case. I've been rocking this case for 2 days so far, like I said before, and I haven't missed my other case at all. This has been a very nice case and something that I'm going to be permanently switching to. So I do really, really recommend these cases, and I do like them quite a bit. Alright guys, so we're just going to do a quick drop test with the impact protection case, just to show you guys that it's all good. As you guys can see, my screen not broken at all, and we're going to do just a waist height drop test. So 3, 2, 1, and we'll do it a couple more times so you guys can see. 3, 2, 1. 1, 2, 3. Alright guys, as you guys can see, 3 times I've dropped it and not one problem at all. The case hasn't even scuffed. As you guys can see, a bit of dirt there, the rubber straight off, and that's why it is the impact drop protection case from Casetify, and I do really, really recommend those. Alright guys, so my final verdict on these cases are that I really, really do like them and I do recommend them. Now some of the designs are out there, as you guys did see from this video, but there are plenty of other designs on Casetify's website so you guys can check out. But I do honestly really recommend the drop protection case. It's this impact case. As you guys saw from the drop test as well, I did drop the phone 3 times and not one problem at all, and that was on concrete. So it wasn't on grass or anything else, it was on concrete. And it just goes to show you what kind of cases they make and how durable they are. Not one scuff on the phone at all, and not one scuff on the case. So again, very good quality from Casetify. Alright guys, one thing I did forget to mention is that you can drop the case from up to 6.5 feet, which is about 2 meters. I just wanted to put that in there so you guys do know the drop protection for the case. So like I said, I really recommend these cases. Feel free to check them out. I'll leave a link in the description down below, and I'll leave my code here as well, so you guys can use that to get 15% off anything you purchase. If you guys are interested in the giveaway, I will be giving hopefully some away. Again, if you're interested, let me know so I can give those away. Alright guys, so I hope you have enjoyed this mini review and the unboxing of these impact cases from Casetify. If you have enjoyed it, make sure to smash the thumbs up button, share the video around with your friends, and another big shout out to Casetify for sending this over. So thanks for watching, and I'll catch you guys in another video.